Crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome back to 1 in 10 by Jen, from Mailbox to Masterpiece. Today we're doing number 185, brought to us by Tracy. So we're going to open this up and see what she has brought to us today. Almost lost the flowers. Some little blue flowers here. Some embossed paper in feathers. One in thank you. Cool. These are neat. Look at all this fun paper. This one's also embossed. Oh, cute. Cute, cute. Oh, here's some more. Now we've got blue, pink, and purple. And then we've got this really cool piece. A little bit of foil on there. Awesome. So let's get started. I have already made an A2 size card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I've got 10 minutes to create something with this. So a lot of times I like to create my base or something to build up on, like my first layer. This looks like this might actually, yeah. Let's go ahead and cut this down a little bit. I was looking for something else and I looked to the side and I realized, hey, today is the day we have to put out the garbage. Okay, let's see if we've got a little bit of white border here. Perfect. I hear the dog barking upstairs, but I'm going to have to ignore him for now. That's got some really cool foiling on it as well. That'll go with, kind of go with this feather, I think, because it's got a little bit of purple in there. But then these are also truly beautiful. That'll go along with that gold as well. I'm just kind of playing around with how I think these would look going on here like this. We've got some purple. We could play around with that going on the inside. This one kind of goes well with that pink. Maybe I want to do an extra little burst of pink on the inside. I think I will. I'm going to make a little bit of that. And then maybe I can put a little bit of this on the inside of the card as well to pull it all together. Now, I used to do this for 5 minutes, and then I bumped it to 10. So you can go back and watch those. And while I have 10 minutes, if I get done with this in less than 10, then it's less than 10. What can I say? But I've got 10 minutes on the clock. And of course, there's 185 of them, including today's. So if you want to go back and watch some of the ones you've missed, go ahead and do that. We're going to run this series until I hit number 200. And then if people still want to send stuff in. Oh, I've got 2 pieces of that. That's pretty. You're totally welcome to send in. I will still do them on a random kind of basis, but I'm not going to go out of my way to like do it as a series, as it were. I'm going to move on to some mixed media. That's going to look really good. I'm going to put that down. I like the look of it. I really think this looks super cool all going together like this. I'm going to have to go up and find out what in the world he's barking at. The dog that never used to bark, well, he is finding his own way now that he's feeling better. You know what? I'd rather spray this. I don't want to get this all over the place. Oop. Actually, I don't know where my spray is at this second. So let's see if I can just get it down with a little bit of glue. I seriously need to refill my glue bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And to hopefully only put just a little bit on. A wee bit, because otherwise I'm going to end up with a glue mess, a gluey mess. I'm not used to using this one. This one's new to me, so we'll just try to use, less is more. Less is more. Just enough to get that on the corner here. overestimate the power of this new glue? I don't know. Nope. I think it's gonna work. Oh my gosh, that is really looking cool. Really looking cool. Okay. I wonder if, do I need to put a little bit of this purple, pinkish purple? No, but I think this would go really well on the inside. Yep. And where's that other one I said would go really well too? We still got these white ones. I think it was this one. Let's go ahead and put that on the inside. I've got some more somewhere else. So there. We have a tiny bit to cut off here. Let me just check the edge. Just the tiniest little bit. Probably wouldn't even notice it. And then this piece, which I am cutting over here, we have some of this left. Anything that's left over that I haven't used, I'm still going to use at the crop in the new year. So that's still a thing. That's still going on regardless of whether this ends. The crop in the new year is going to happen. And I'm just going to do that as one strip here. I think that looks really cool. I've got a couple of flowers here yet. I don't want to put them on. I want to put them on the inside, but I don't want them to bump up the card because that's going to make it look funny. So let's go ahead and see. I'm thinking maybe one of each. The pink is kind of too bold. The purple and the light blue. I don't know. I'm thinking I'm not really digging the colors on these. Maybe I'm going to save these for the... I think I will. I'm going to save those for something else. And then I could also use something on here. I'm going to cut right into this and make a sentiment out of one of these and then save the rest. Because I don't know if you guys think about that. When you use your embossing folders, if they've got words on them, it makes an awesome background, but it also makes super cute, quick, and easy sentiment. So this one actually says thanks on it, and to make it stand out a little bit more, I'm going to use, let's go purple, bring in all these purples together. Let me get a purple from here. Let's see if that one, oh, that's darn close. Okay, we're going to use that one. Step away to grab some of my inkers. I've got one for purple right here. You know what? There might be enough. Let's just check it on the back here. Nope, not really. I was going to say there might be enough ink on there, left on there to get away with it. But I want this color. So let's go ahead and... Yep, that's going to be a good color. We don't want it to be... We don't want it to look crazy, so I'm just going to do a little over the top here. There we go. That does it. That makes it stick out a little bit more. I'm happy with that. So let's bump that up just a tad. I could have went with this side up, but it's backwards because of the way it was done. So I did it with the deboss side, which also looks really cool. So I'm not going to try to smash this down because I don't want everything to go flat. This is sticky enough that you don't have to really push on it. It's going to stick on there just fine. Cool. Cool, cool. I love the stuff that you sent, Tracy. Let me go ahead and put these in a pile because I will be saving these for crop in the new year. That is 8 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time now that I live in Tennessee. And I hope to see a lot of you guys there. People that have been coming every year. And I wish I could say it's the such and such annual. Maybe it's the 4th annual. I don't know. It's either 3 or 4. I'll have to look that up and get back to you. I think I lost something. But anyway, I popped that into my little savings trove there so that we can use those at the end of the year. Obviously not all of them because there's going to be a lot in there. And I still have 45 seconds, but we're going to go ahead and say, hey, I finished that card underneath the 10-minute mark. Again, this will go out to Tracy. I'll go ahead and stamp my information on the back. So if you're new here and you've not seen this before, go back and watch the other 184. Give this a thumbs up if you like this series. I know a lot of you guys do. And I'm going to pop this on here so that I can send this out to Tracy. And then we'll move on. So you will see another one next week, and that'll be 186 from Cindy. Have you guys a super awesome weekend. I cannot wait to see you guys next video.